Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to find the mean, median, and mode using Jamovi. First, open Jamovi. If you don't have it yet, you can download it from jamovi.org. Once it's open, load your dataset. Click the hamburger icon and open the recently accessed file, or click open to browse the desired file. Step 2, navigate to descriptives. Now that your data is loaded, go to the top menu and click on Analyses. Then select Descriptives. Next step, select your variable. In the Descriptives panel, you will see a list of variables from your dataset. Choose the variable you want to analyze. Say, click pretest, then click arrow to transfer the pretest to variables list. You may also drag and drop the variable. Step 4, choose your statistics. You can see your options under statistics. By default, some options have been chosen. N is for the number of values in the dataset. Missing is for number of missing values. Mean, median, and mode can be selected for this analysis because these measures of central tendency are appropriate for post-test and pre-test. You may opt to deselect measures of dispersion if they are not required. Once you are done choosing the statistical tools, click this arrow. Now, let us view the results. Jamovi will instantly display the results in the output panel. You will see the mean, median, and mode listed clearly. These are the measures of general tendency. If there is a table that you want to delete, just right-click and click Remove. Now it is time to export the results. Click the hamburger icon, click Export, and save the output as PDF. Browse and look for the desired folder where you will save the file. Type in the desired file name and make sure you have chosen PDF as file type. Then click Export. And that's it. You've just learned how to find the mean, median, and mode in Jamovi. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.